So, wait there, guys. So, we'll be looking at how to create a logins for a website. How to create a logins for a website. So, this is just the basic structure of the HTML. So, let's get started. Let's get started. Create a div. Create a div. Inside is the create a to a it's inside it is welcome to code writer. Code writer. Right. So we'll create a p tag after this. Create a p tag. That's a paragraph tag. Paragraph. Write login your account. Login your account. Login your account. So let's play this. For instance, so step by step, just follow up. Okay, okay. Can take it back. If you don't understand, take it back and watch it. Label. This label will contain. So for every input, there should be a label. For every input, there should be a label. That is just to identify every that is to identify every input. Like, okay, this input is for Gmail, is for email, is for password, is for phone number. So for every input there should be a label. um I I so type to the email. If you are using a code editor to complete it, um placeholder 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 to write into into your email, input your email required. uh, so since we use this again, let's just copy to save time. So let's copy this copy let's copy this. I'll come here we'll save. We'll save. So this place will write password. We'll write password here. Password here. The type, the input type, we change it to password. So password here, we instead of input your image, we input your password. PSSWORD. So let's look at the code. So it's making sense. Let's go back. We'll create a button. Create a button. So inside this button, we'll be written login. So type login. Okay. So this is making sense. Let's go back. What again? So inside is Wow. Mm. Wow. So let me quickly just explain this style sheet. So this style sheet, this ash, yeah, or this asterisk, what's this time? And like this sign, sure, this sign here, the sign is just to target everything. Biggest target everything. That sign is to target everything. Biggest. So here is the body to display, flex, align center, align item center, justify content center, background color green. So you can change the background color to anything you want. So this is the div. This is the div. So this is the style for the div. Yes. So everything inside the div we use this style. So this is for the H2. The H2 which is the welcome folder of the margin.com details. So this is for the paragraph text where we write login to our account. This is the form. Display, play, that's all. This is for the legal. So the more you work with CSS, the more you don't need to cram. That's just it. The more you work with CSS, the more all these things it gets it to them. Where's the one? So let's change this to login, login, that something, something. So let's play. So can you see? This is how to create a login distance. Can you see? So let me just a brief of what. So the beginning is to use HTML to create the use HTML to create the form. You use CSS to style it. Sure you get. So let me explain something. This required. This required. It means if if they did not sign if they did not like if they omit something. Look at this now. Let me use this way. Okay, I input my email. Let's say I input my email. I input my email and I press login. It's telling me that I should please fill out this field. That is because I couldn't require this. So it's necessary you should still require if you are doing the login. If you are doing the login for a website, it's essential you still require in the form. So that will be all. That will be all. So kindly like and subscribe.